I can't hate this car. I want to. I want to poke fun at how slow it is, how ugly it is, how mundane it is. It's the antithesis of car culture, the blight on the automotive enthusiast world. But you know what this car did? It got me from point A to point B without a sweat. Corollas have this reputation of either driven by your local tweaker or broke college kid driving the family's hand-me-down when Pops finally bought Mom that Jeep Renegade after you moved out. They're safe, in quotes, slow, so Billy isn't going to get into street racing and scaring Mom, and cheap, so when Billy totals it after putting one too many back at Jenny's homecoming party, there's no real loss. Hit a curb? Oh well. Ding the paint? No worries. That's the glory of the shitbox Corolla. Just keep the consumables managed and forget the rest. Dolling a car like this up is putting on some seat covers or maybe throwing a quirky sticker on the trunk. I got 2 good years out of this car when my truck broke down and I was too inexperienced to fix the axle. Before that, my family had this thing knocking around since 2001. At the time of filming this, the power steering pump was giving up the ghost and the exhaust manifold is cracked. Now, anyone that's owned one of these knows the exhaust manifold is crack city. Don't believe me? Go check. Go look under that heat shield thing. There's a crack in there hiding. I tried to mend this crack by brazing it back together with oxyacetylene torch, but right back it came. Luckily, they're cheap as hell on eBay. In the winter with a set of studded snow tires, this thing would plow right through a foot of snow with ease. Hell, I spun the thing out one icy day right into a snowbank and right out it crawled. I no longer own this car, but every once in a while I get a tickle in the back of my brainstem telling me to find another one as I watch the needle on my truck fall faster than a teen throwing one too many back at Jenny's homecoming party. I feel like too many car guys get wrapped up in this cloud of, well, if I'm not driving something cool, then how will they know I'm a car guy? But like, who cares? It makes all those times you take your project or your quote-unquote finished project out for a cruise way better. So here's to you, Corolla. Here's to your headliner that was cut out and rains foam upon all of its occupants. Here's to that seat that was perfect for cracking your back when you used the steering wheel to push yourself against it. Here's to, on-ramp at 35 miles an hour, here we go! Here's to the 1994 Corolla, the champion of the mundane.